A seasoned mechanic recently pulled a blown transfer case out of a 2019 Ford Explorer. The owner was 74 years old, staring at a $3,800 repair bill on a fixed income. Every single week, this mechanic watches seniors drain their retirement savings on SUVs designed with failure built in. Transfer cases, turbo engines, four-wheel drive systems, all waiting to empty wallets. Meanwhile, three specific sedans keep rolling through his repair shop at 200,000, 250,000, even 300,000 miles. They need nothing but oil changes and brake pads. 22 years of experience shows every manufacturer's best and worst vehicles. One sedan averages just $388 a year to maintain. Today we're revealing the three sedans that will save your retirement. Entry number 3 is the Honda Accord, a car that has been in production for 50 years and still refuses to fail. A retired teacher named Margaret, 71 years old, walked into the shop terrified. Her 2017 Accord with 187,000 miles had a check engine light. She thought her engine was dying and would cost thousands to repair. The diagnostic revealed a loose gas cap, a 50-cent part causing sleepless nights. The mechanic checked everything while she waited. Brakes still had 30% life remaining. Transmission fluid was clean, zero leaks anywhere. The Accord's engines run timing chains, not timing belts. That means a $1,200 timing belt replacement never needed. RepairPal ranks Accord number 1 out of 24 midsize sedans for reliability. Average annual maintenance is exactly $400. Brake jobs cost $300 to $500 for all four corners. Margaret's terror was understandable but unfounded. Her Accord was not dying. It was being exactly what it was engineered to be: indestructible and dependable. For the Honda Accord, model year selection is absolutely critical for quality. A 2017 Accord comes with the naturally aspirated 2.4-liter engine, bulletproof with no turbo complications and zero oil dilution issues. Want something newer? Jump to 2020 or later, where Honda fixed all turbo problems completely. Absolutely avoid 2018, the first-year 1.5-liter turbo. In cold climates, Honda had a fuel and oil dilution problem with that specific engine. Fuel contaminated the oil, destroying engine lubrication permanently. Honda extended warranties and fixed the problem by 2019. But that 2018 first model year is the one to skip entirely. One wrong year equals $4,000 to $6,000 in engine work before 100,000 miles. Buy a 2017 and get Margaret's experience. 187,000 miles with just a loose gas cap. Buy a 2018 in a cold climate. Potentially $5,000 in repairs. Model year selection determines your entire ownership experience completely. The maintenance reality for a 2017 Honda Accord is refreshingly simple and predictable. The timing chain is a lifetime component that will never be replaced under normal circumstances. That is a $1,200 repair you will never need. First major maintenance is brakes around 60,000 to 80,000 miles, costing $300 to $500 for all four corners. The water pump comes around 100,000 to 150,000 miles at $740 to $997. Alternator replacement happens at 120,000 to 150,000 miles for $550 to $890. Transmission fluid service every 50,000 miles costs $150 to $200. Spark plugs get replaced at 110,000 miles for $150 to $200. The maintenance is liberating for seniors on fixed incomes. No surprise $3,800 transfer case failures like SUVs experience. No $1,200 timing belt replacements. Just predictable, budgetable maintenance at known mileage intervals. Entry number 2 is the Toyota Camry, the most boring car mechanics have ever worked on. And that is the highest possible compliment a vehicle can receive. A customer named Gerald, a retired postal carrier, bought a 2016 Camry brand new. He drove it through his entire retirement: grocery runs, road trips, grandkid pickups, family vacations. Last month, he brought it in at 247,000 miles. Same engine, same transmission, never opened, never rebuilt, never touched. The mechanic did his first brake job at 247,000 miles and swapped the spark plugs, Gerald had forgotten about the spark plugs despite being the originals after 247,000 miles. Total bill was $380. The Camry runs Toyota's 2.5-liter dynamic force engine with a timing chain that never needs replacement. J.D. Power ranked Camry #1 for initial quality in 2024. RepairPal puts annual maintenance at $388, $264 less than the average car. Only 11% chance of major repair versus 12% industry average. Gerald's Camry proves boring is exactly what you want. Predictable, reliable, unstoppable. For the Toyota Camry, there is one generation to absolutely avoid. 2007 to 2009 with a 2.4-liter 2AZ FE engine. These cars drank oil catastrophically and terribly. Some owners reported adding a quart every 1,200 miles. In bad cases, it was a quart every 1,000 miles. Toyota never issued a recall. They ignored the problem completely. Customers were forced to carry oil bottles in their trunks constantly. By 60,000 to 80,000 miles, these engines were failing completely. Owners faced $3,000 to $5,000 engine rebuilds. 2006 and earlier used different engines unaffected. 2010 and newer solved the problem completely. 2007 to 2009 specifically, walk away entirely. The maintenance reality for a 2016 to 2024 Toyota Camry is refreshingly predictable. The timing chain is a lifetime component never replaced under normal use. First brake job comes around 60,000 to 80,000 miles at $300 to $600. Spark plugs get replaced at 120,000 miles for $150 to $200 total. Gerald actually drove 247,000 miles and forgot his spark plugs entirely. Water pump comes around 100,000 to 150,000 miles for $740 to $997. Alternator typically fails around 120,000 to 160,000 miles at $550 to $890. Transmission fluid gets serviced every 50,000 miles for $150 to $200. The Camry's maintenance schedule is so predictable that seniors can budget decades ahead accurately. You know exactly when brakes are coming due. You know exactly when spark plugs need replacement. Gerald's Camry proved this by running 247,000 miles with just $380 in maintenance total. Entry #1 is the Lexus ES 350, the car that changed what this mechanic tells every senior. This is the car he bought his own mother. Not a metaphor, not a sales pitch. He actually purchased a 2021 Lexus ES 350 for his mother. After 22 years turning wrenches, he understands something critical. The Lexus ES 350 is a Toyota Camry wearing a tuxedo. Same platform, same factory, same 3.5-liter V6 engine bulletproof across millions of vehicles. But Lexus adds triple-sealed doors, acoustic laminated windshield, and extra sound deadening throughout. The cabin becomes near silent at 70 miles per hour. J.D. Power gives the ES 85 out of 100 for quality with only 6% chance of severe repair. Annual maintenance ES 350 is $468. Annual maintenance BMW 5 Series is $968. Annual maintenance Mercedes E-Class is $980 or more. The ES costs only $80 more per year than a Camry, but delivers complete luxury transformation. $500 less per year than German luxury with identical Toyota reliability underneath. For the Lexus ES 350, the sweet spot is 2019 to 2023. Brakes cost $300 to $600 per axle at 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Spark plugs are $150 to $200 at 120,000 miles. Water pump is $740 to $997 at 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Alternator is $550 to $890 at 120,000 to 160,000 miles. Transmission fluid service is $150 to $200 every 50,000 miles. One documented owner reached 390,000 miles on an ES with the original engine. Gerald's Camry at 247,000 miles, needing $380 total repairs. Documented Lexus ES 350 at 390,000 miles with original engine. Meanwhile, SUVs flood repair shops with expensive failures constantly. Transfer cases fail at 90,000 to 120,000 miles, costing $3,800. Four-wheel drive systems fail at 100,000 to 150,000 miles, costing $2,000 to $3,000. Turbo engines quit at 80,000 miles, costing $1,500 to $2,500. Brake jobs cost $2,200 because rotors are dinner plate sized. The mathematics are devastating for SUV owners and liberating for sedan owners. Sedans cost $0.002 per mile in maintenance. SUVs cost $0.10 or more dollars per mile in repairs. Over 200,000 miles, that is the difference between $400 and $20,000 in repairs. For seniors on fixed incomes, that $19,600 difference determines whether they visit grandkids or face financial devastation. The 74-year-old with the $3,800 transfer case could have bought a Camry and spent $1,940 maintaining it instead. Buy one of these three sedans and stop letting the automotive industry destroy your retirement security. You now understand something critical. The automotive industry conditioned people to believe bigger is better. Bigger means 40 to 60% more failure points waiting to destroy retirement accounts. These three sedans will save you $14,000 to $24,000 over the vehicle's life compared to SUVs. Margaret's Accord at 187,000 miles, Gerald's Camry at 247,000 miles, and the documented 390,000-mile Lexus ES 350 prove reliability exists. Subscribe to this channel for weekly vehicle analysis with no sponsored content. Just 22 years of genuine shop experience. Share this video to anyone thinking about buying an SUV and potentially save their retirement. Drop your highest mileage sedan in the comments below. Like this video if you have ever dealt with expensive SUV repairs. Subscribe now because your retirement depends on making the right vehicle choice today.